Setting and tracking goals can get pretty messy. Objectives end up in PowerPoints or Word documents, key results live in spreadsheets, and progress is scattered across tools. Teams spend more time chasing updates than actually aligning on what matters. Miro Goals changes that. It brings everything into one place: the planning, the workshops, the execution, and the tracking. You can go from messy ideas to clear, measurable outcomes and focus on them right where the work is already happening. Here's the goals dashboard, your single source of truth for company objectives. At the top, you can instantly see the progress and objectives. Underneath, key results are tied to owners and areas for full accountability. And because Miro goals are synced across tables, boards, and rituals, updates reflect everywhere automatically. No more copying and pasting. So, how do we get to this clean, aligned set of OKRs? Let's rewind. It starts with scheduling a workshop to draft objectives. This built-in timeline view of a planning schedule makes it easy to organize this process, assign clear ownership, set pace, and run working groups in parallel so things move faster. And before the leadership team creates OKRs, they will need to define a clear strategy for the year. Here, we have the notes from the leadership team's brainstorming session. It's messy, there are overlapping ideas, and no clear structure. In the past, progress would be slow because it took hours to clean up and synthesize. And now, with Miro AI flows, in just a few clicks, they can turn these raw, unstructured notes into a structured draft. And because Miro AI understands your context, it organizes scattered ideas into clear themes that align with your company's vision. This saves hours of time, and your team can jump straight into refining and focusing on what really matters. And voila, we can mark this as done. Now the leadership team can define the objectives and assign owners. And from there, working groups come together in workshops to brainstorm and refine the key results. Getting started can be the hardest part. That's where Miro's AI Goal Sidekick can help the team with some initial ideas to get a running start and into the brainstorming flow. It draws on your company's context to suggest draft key results and next steps, so you're never starting from scratch. Then the team can discuss, refine, and finally align. The team is now ready to add this key result to a synced OKR table. And with just a few clicks, they can assign the key result to an owner, the team, and set clear targets with current tracking. These sync across dashboards, boards, and rituals in Miro where everyone can see the results. Teams can keep their goals front and center in rituals like sprint planning. With OKRs always visible, it's clear how their day-to-day work connects back to the company objectives. Goals stay visible where work happens, so alignment is continuous and not a one-off. So that's how Miro Goals helps leaders set strategy and ensure it's visible to their teams. As part of our end-to-end product acceleration solution, we can't wait to show you how this can work for your teams.